Hello. Okay, we have fully dried really well, so I'm going to give this a really pretty satin finish with some glaze. So in my palette bowl, I'm going to mix up some gloss glazing medium and some satin glazing medium. So I'm just pouring them in my bowl here. I have the gloss in the bowl and the satin, which is running out of, obviously, adding right there. So about equal parts of that. A few mists of my plain water. Not too much, just a few mists. And I'm going to take a wet brush, just apply a little water to my surface. I know this is good and dry, so I don't want a lot of water, just a little bit. And then I'm going to mix my glaze mixture up. So it's about half and half gloss, half satin. Starting back and forth. And I like to work in sections when I do this, so I'm going to do the bottom section back and forth, up and down, to make sure I get everything. And then moving up to the top section. Make sure you have a really nice finish over the entire painting. You can also go diagonally like this, just to be very sure you've hit every single nook and cranny. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry for about an hour or two, and then I'll come back and I will finish the sides. I'm going to be doing those in just a plain white, and then our painting will be finished.